1 or 3 million is not necessarily what gets you to 10 million and 30 million, because in the beginning, you need to sell something to someone. That you have to promote it. You have to promote the stuff you have, otherwise no one knows about you and you're obscure. Where people make the mistake is that they get this positive reinforcement from the fact that they marketed and sold and think, I need to do more of that. And I'm going to say, yes, you will, but just not at this moment. Because at this point is actually a pause point. And the goal is not to even necessarily make tons of profit at this point. The goal is to fix the product such that you start to generate a significant amount of business from referrals. Until that occurs, there's no point in adding more gas to the acquisition engine, because you're basically just setting yourself up for failure at a later point. The only way to grow is to sell more people. And at some point, you will run out of people to sell. And so the idea is to actually alternate. Focus on the acquisition in the beginning. We always say one product, one avatar, one channel. That's what you have to do to get to 1 to 3 million. Then you fix the product. And if you fix the product, you will sneeze your way to 10 million without doing anything